In this video, I will create a t-shirt inspired by the Billie Eilish music videos. Interested? Keep watching this video. Hi everyone, this is Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and in this video I will create a t-shirt for the Billie Eilish. And it's not like she called me, hey Daria, what's up, can you create for me hand-painted t-shirt? No, I wish it would be that way, but no, it's my own decision, because when I watched her music videos, I was like, wow, it will be an amazing design for the t-shirt. So that's how idea was born, and I have this white oversized t-shirt, I have my fabric paints, so let's create. I put the t-shirt on the main mannequin as it fits better and it will be more easy for me to paint, and I will use just black color fabric paint to create dripping paint effect. This part of the design is very easy and you can create it by yourself. You just need fabric paints and white t-shirt, and you can use some different color, for example red color or all the colors, to create such a rainbow dripping paint effect. By the way, if you are a Billie Eilish fan, so you are watching this video, write me your thoughts about the design I'm painting in the comments below. To add a bit more drama to the design, I will splatter the black paint. And now I will paint the second part of the design inspired by the music video of the Billie Eilish, You Should See Me in a Crown, and I will paint spiders, tarantulas. I'm not afraid of the spiders, and this is my second design with spiders. I have a video in which I painted black widows on the buttons up shirt, and I think the spiders look so cool on the clothes. Now I paint the shadow of the spider to create 3D effect. And I splatter the black paint. Same way I paint the second spider. And painting is finished. You're still watching this video, so you probably don't have a spiders phobia. Hit the like button and share this video with your spiders lovers and Billie Eilish lovers friends. And if you have any questions like, is this t-shirt washable? What kind of paint is it? How will I paint on clothes? You can watch my educational videos, I put the links down below, and stay tuned because many videos like this are coming soon. See you, bye bye!